Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of remote sensing and its crucial role in understanding climate change. From monitoring temperature and precipitation to analyzing vegetation health and atmospheric composition, remote sensing provides us with valuable data that helps us track climate change patterns and their impacts on our environment. So, let's get started. One of the key climate-related parameters that remote sensing helps us collect data on is temperature. By using infrared sensor satellites, we can measure the Earth's surface temperature and changes over time. This visualization shows sea surface temperature, SST. Remote sensing also provides us with valuable information about sea surface temperature. By utilizing specialized sensors, satellites can measure the temperature of the Earth's oceans, allowing us to monitor phenomena like El Niño and La Niña, which have significant impacts on global weather patterns. NASA's Atmospheric Infrared Sounder (AIRS) instrument, on board the Aqua satellite, show the movement high in the atmosphere of carbon monoxide associated with fires in the Amazon region of Brazil. Vegetation health is another crucial parameter that remote sensing helps us assess. By analyzing the reflected light from vegetation, satellites can provide us with valuable data. Vegetation health is another crucial parameter that remote sensing helps us assess. By analyzing the reflected light from vegetation, satellites can provide us with valuable data. By collecting data on these climate-related parameters, remote sensing enables scientists, policymakers, and communities to gain a comprehensive understanding of climate change and its impacts on our planet. This information is crucial for developing effective mitigation and adaptation strategies.
That concludes our exploration of how remote sensing contributes to our understanding of climate change. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you enjoyed it, please subscribing to our channel for more exciting content on remote sensing and its applications. Thank you for watching, and remember, together we can make a difference in combating climate change.